how to turn on or turn off continue on other devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connected devices. So after click on connected devices, so you will see continue on other devices is here. So if you want to turn off continue on other devices, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see continue on other devices is turn off. So if you want to turn on continue on other devices, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see continue on other devices is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off continue on other devices from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, continue on other devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.